All right, this is a little screencastify on another musical company. This is Theatrical Rights Worldwide. So I'm going to click on that. And we are going to go to shows up here at the top bar. And compared to Music Theater International, there are not very many shows from this company. But if you look at them, a lot of them, I would say, are more modern shows. So it's a newer company. Let's go ahead and look at Addams Family. And it looks like there's a concert version and a musical version. So we're just going to do show info. And so it's going to give you a synopsis or overview here. There's a few videos that you can watch and pictures to look at. Click on synopsis, and it gives you a little more detail about the show. And as you can see on the right side, it gives you probably just clips of each of the songs to listen to, because again, it's really important to like the music you're going to have to perform for like 5 months. Credits, that's just who has the copyrights to the show, who wrote it, that kind of thing. Casting information is who are the featured roles, 4 male, 6 female. This one doesn't give quite as nice information about each one, like as far as like the character's age, what is their character like on stage. So that would be something you'd have to go kind of find out on your own if you don't know. Orchestral information is what you'll need in your pit band. And again, as most of you have probably figured this out, when we do musicals in the past, we don't always have all the instruments, but you want to have your key things like, high woodwind. You got to have a piano player, you got to have a drummer, a bass is nice, kind of at least the bare bones, but it's nice to know what's in there. And these might be this community section, places that either have done the production or sometimes they offer costumes, things like that, a place for people to advertise kind of what they've done. So that's a little preview of Theatrical Rights Worldwide.